If you're single, you're most likely using dating apps. And in this video, I'm gonna go over the 3 reasons why women do not respect men who use dating apps. Right, exactly like I just said. The 3 reasons why when a woman sees you on a dating app, even though she's using it herself, she doesn't respect you. And that's what I'm gonna cover in this video, is these 3 things. So look, I get it. Dating apps give you more options. Maybe you're shy, maybe you're introverted, and it's just difficult to meet women in general. But it's important that you know this, because that means that you can do something about it. And I'm also gonna cover some tips on what you can do about it. All right, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kane, I'm the Silver Bachelor. This channel is 100% dedicated to dating advice for older guys. And if you have subscribed, hit the subscribe button and a notification button because I'm dropping a video every day. All right, 3 reasons women do not respect men on dating apps. And yes, it's hypocrisy, because they're on dating apps, but yet they don't respect men who are on dating apps. Anyways, you have to just accept women's nature. That's what they think. It's just hypocrisy, yes, but the reality is they do not respect men on dating apps, and these are the 3 reasons. So check it out. Number 1, they think if you're on a dating app, you're desperate. That's the reality. And how I know this is because I've been on hundreds of first dates. Yes, I've tried all the dating apps at one point as some research content for this channel. And any time where I've said to the woman, hey, I'm just not feeling a connection, or I was nice and just said politely, like, not interested, the vile nastiness would just come out. Almost like, how dare you reject me as a woman? I have so many more options than you, Mr. Old Guy, Short Guy, Bald Guy, in their mind, right? So they go, well, you know, you're using this app, so you must be pathetic and desperate. And that's the reality, guys, is number 1, they think you're desperate, and that's why you're on the dating app, okay? So number 2, they think you cannot meet women organically. Again, it's not fair. I get it. It's hypocrisy because they're on the damn apps themselves, right? But that's the reality of what they think. That's the perception they have of all you guys on any dating app. They just think if you could meet women organically, you wouldn't be on the dating app in their mind, okay? So I'm just telling you straight. Number 3, they think you're single because women don't want you. And again, you have no idea how many women, when they got upset because I turned them down, and they would throw the stuff at me and say, well, if you're that great, why are you single? Or, you know, you're obviously here because women don't want you, and whatever. But this is just the reality, guys. This is how women see you on a dating app. It's pathetic. It's like, it's so hypocritical. So what do you do about this, right? Well, first, okay, keep using the dating apps if you want. You have that on the back burner as just another option. But in general, man, you need to work on yourself, right? Level up your game physically, get to the gym, right? Work on your money, make more money, man. Take on side hustles. Okay, look, I am a marketing executive. I have four side hustles on the side. And you know what those are? Number 1, no particular order, but number 1, I have a toilet paper business. Yes, I sell toilet paper by the container load. I work with factories out of China. I'm basically a broker. I take customers' requirements and I find a factory to make what they're looking for, and I sell toilet paper and other paper products, and that business is very lucrative for me, right? Number 2 is I do consulting work, marketing consulting for companies on various things that they need marketing help with. Number 3 is I have this YouTube channel, which is I'm putting a lot of time in, and I'm starting to make some good money from this channel now. And then number 4 is I DJ, and I DJ for fun. So I've got 4 things on the side, in addition to an executive full-time job as a marketer, right? I like to stay busy. I'd like to make money. So I encourage you guys to do the same thing and level up your game. So the next thing you need to do is work on your cold approach and just don't be afraid to approach women organically when you're out. Get out of the house. Join co-ed clubs, join sporting clubs, whatever, dance lessons, whatever. Anytime I see a beautiful woman, right, and I'm not in a rush, I don't have to get in an Uber or something, I make it a point to approach her. And that doesn't matter what the fuck you say. You approach her, sometimes it's not gonna go so well, and you're gonna go, oh, fucking dumbass, why did I say that, right? But it doesn't matter, you get used to it. And there's so many times, I live in this awesome neighborhood, Midtown in Atlanta, and there's women all over the place walking along, there's a belt line, there's a park, there's all these places, and when I see somebody attractive, I'll go right up to them and say, oh, hi, I thought to come up, you seem interesting, my name is Kane. And then they'll be like, oh, hi. And anyways, I don't want to go into it, but one of the ways you can tell if she's into you and you have a chance is very quickly the size of her smile. The bigger the smile, the more attracted she is to you. That's just something to leave you guys with. All right, so at the end of the day, women don't respect men that are using dating apps, and you guys do what you want to do, but I'm just telling you, that's the perception she has of you when you're using dating apps. So what you can do about it, work on yourself, level up yourself physically, financially, and work on your cold approach game. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.